Hi guys, my name is Roop Sandhu and welcome to my channel. If you're watching me for the first time, then please consider to subscribe to my channel and also click on bell icon. So guys, today I'm going to do a review of Color Bar Beauty Sponge or Beauty Blender, which is only for ₹199, which is a very affordable price, especially if you compare it with the other brands which are not even high end, but still their beauty blenders are like above 800. I mean, they are really very expensive. So 200 rupees for a beauty blender, I think it's a very good amount to offer to a customer. So this beauty blender came in this packaging, and I just stored it and took the beauty blender out. Packaging is fine. You can dry your beauty blender and put it back as well, and you can throw it as well. It's not even very important. Size of this beauty sponge is just normal, just like any other beauty sponge. This is not too small, not even too big, so this is just perfect for blending the foundation on the face. It's perfect for face, for neck. So when this product is dry, it is a little bit smaller than this, and when it is wet, it can achieve this much size. Right now it is bigger because I have done this look by using this this beauty blender. When this beauty sponge is wet, it is really very soft and it is very fluffy and very bouncy on the face. So in this price point, I have tried a few more beauty sponges which I would say are not really very soft, and they are not very gentle on the face. Even when they are wet, they are not very much bouncy like this. They still feel like we are pushing the sponge on our face. That thing did not happen with this sponge. It is really very gentle on the face, on the skin. It's quite gentle and soft. This sponge does not even absorb the foundation. I mean, it might absorb a little bit, but I don't think it absorbs the foundation. In fact, it does blends everything very perfectly. It blends everything evenly, be it your foundation, your concealer or cream contour. It just blends everything perfectly, and there are no harsh edges. There are no lines or marks of foundation left on the face. It blends everything very perfectly and evenly. So a lot of people like to apply the foundation with their fingers. I mean, it's okay if you can blend it with your fingers. I can also do that, but I would really recommend you guys to go for something like this because it can make your task very easy and very quick. It just spreads really very quickly and it's a very easy task. You can use the round part for applying the foundation on your face and your neck, and you can use this sharp tip to to blend the concealer under your eyes and all the corners. It can reach really nicely. And also you can use the sharp tip to apply any setting powder under your eyes. Just take a little bit and apply it under your eyes, and it will help you to set your under eyes, and also you can cut your contour. Now these kind of products can get damaged in a couple of weeks as well, and also you can keep it for really long, for example for 1 year, 2 years, if the maintenance of this product is done very nicely. So it all depends upon how we store our product. We cannot put it in the drawers or in the wardrobes right after we use it. We have to let it dry, and for that we can keep it out for some time, for a day, for some hours, where it can just dry and it shrinks a little bit, and then we can put it back in our drawers. So that is how we can store this product. And also it is very important that we clean it very often. So you can clean it with any there are some solutions that clean beauty brushes and sponges, and also you can use your hand wash or baby wash. I just use it with my baby wash, which is it's absolutely fine. So that was all about this beauty sponge. I'll just mention a few important points before I leave. It is very affordable. It is very soft. It doesn't feel really hard on the face. It does not absorb foundation, and it gives a very even finish. So overall, it's a very good beauty sponge, and I think you should definitely invest in it. So that was all about it. If you guys wish to check this product online, it is available online, and I will provide the link in the description. So be sure you check that link out, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.